How to see unsent photos on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to see unsent photos on Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Facebook Messenger application on your device and make sure that you sign into your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon at bottom right corner of your screen or simply top left corner. Tap on the settings icon at top of your screen. Scroll down and then navigate to Photos and Media option. Tap to access it. Make sure that you enable Save and Capture. This will save new photos that you take in the app to your gallery. Before that, make sure that you allow Messenger to access photos and videos on this device. You may as well open links in external browser by toggling on the bottom. So, if you are thinking how it works, so any photo or video sent to you will automatically save to your device. Even if the sender unsent it, you will still have a copy. This won't recover past unsent photos, only future one. So if this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.